Locals protest against attempt to replace 5x9 Gorkha rifles with Assam rifles at Leimaram, Waroi, Chingchingkong and the Oinam Assembly constituency in Bishnupur district. Protests continue at Kabawakching, Hainobok, Leimaram, Waroi, Ching, Kom Kairab and Sadhu Chiru. Chairperson of Sadhu Chiru Women, Kipnei Chung Chiru said 1 year has been completed for Gorkha rifles to protect people in the area, which has made the people secured. She appealed to the authority concerned not to replace Gorkha rifles with Assam rifles.
Seda jiar thambi base lokthok pi ganu moi leibadagi ekoi se aduki matik nungai koi chathuk chatsin da su ana awa da su numidang da chatpo oirasu moi nei koi bu mating pangbi adugi jiar se em biren na lokthok pi ganu hai gi na paujen jari la di ekoi sak mai se khangna drabani na koi chathuk chatsin da su wara ani chat bada su nungai ra
Kom Kairab village women wing leader Elizabeth Kom stated that peace has been prevailed in the area under the protection of Gorkha rifles. Like Chombam Thasana of Waroi related that people will not accept deployment of Assam rifles at Leimaram Waroi as people are well aware of the activities of Assam rifles.
2023 gi me gi tang ahum dagi ngasi bau da satha da na lai ba kanglup ani gi lala sida sahi phana lairak laba 9 sector GR si khangau da na Assam na phanna mo gi mot sine na taurai ba si koi mafam asi gi prajamiam Leimam Waroi jing hainau bo ireng bam kamu kabo waksing balaram khul hari ba laikai khungan kaya sina Assam na phal si phaba phataba ai thamjara roi Assam na phal si akhoi gi jaga si da thamba sungpam pamjade haidana khoi na chatharai si ngasi Thana numit humni sure akoina ahing yarek tana ngasi bhawa le rei si pham masida Assam rifle sunglang lakpa yaroi haiba wafam masi first line da GR central gi oiba pochi thambi ba second line da akoi Manipur gi oiba state force se second line da thambi ba ari ba khungpham masida gi akoi sungon sunghen jaroi